I wanted to make a video dedicated to my fans, the subscribers. Um, Me and my father are very thankful for the Bug Restoration's fame. Like, it's very hard to wrap our minds around it. It's it's our one hit wonder, basically. Uh, we were never expecting it to get this big. It was just kind of like it just grew. And it's like a snowball effect. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And we're like, it's just like we don't know what to do with it, you know? We're just in kind of a weird situation because if you look at my channel, it's just a bunch of random failed videos. Like, they're just dumb videos that I made. Like, I just. My very first video I uploaded was in 2007, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is going to get 1,000,000 views. And it got like 12 views, and the first views that I looked, like the first 12 views were from me because I kept clicking on the video to see how many views I got. Like, my channel is like, it's not, if you strip away my bug restoration documentary that I did with my father, it's nothing. My entire channel is nothing. But I knew that my father did great restorations, and he bought this bug, and I'm like, I gotta make a documentary of this thing. And I put my heart and soul into it. Funny fact, the day we started the bug restoration documentary was the day I got hired on my job that I still have today, which is pretty funny. But you know what I'm trying to say is you can make it happen. I mean, worst case scenario, you can have a one hit wonder. If you want it to happen, it can happen. But you got to put your heart and soul into it. We're trying our hardest to do our best. This isn't what we do full time, you know. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that's all full timers and stuff, but we're not full timers. This is part time. This is just for fun. And but yeah, if you take a look at my YouTube channel, it's just a bunch of random crap, and I feel like I need to be a little bit of the spokesperson for my channel, maybe like the speaker of my channel, because there's been so much frustration. People see this unbelievable motivating bug restoration video, and then they go to my channel and it's just a bunch of crappy Lego animations and I don't know what the hell, just goofy videos I did. They're just like, what is this? Well, that's just my channel. I don't I don't know. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is if you put your heart and soul into one project, it'll go viral. But if you just kind of everything else, it just I guess my channel overall is just but that's why I like it. But I don't just I don't know. I don't know.